In this video, we'll showcase a service management solution built on Steer. This solution is designed for vehicle repair and maintenance companies. To start off, let's get to know the users and their respective roles. Our main users in this solution are the customer, the service advisor, the job controller, and the technician. First, the customer requests for vehicle repair using a mobile app. The customer simply fills out the form and provides details such as the vehicle model type, plate, and engine number. Upon approval of the request, the customer gets notified on the inspection schedule. During the on-site inspection, the service advisor checks the vehicle and fills out the checklist via the Steer app on his tablet. After verifying the parts and equipment needed and the specific repairs to be done, he then creates a work order. As soon as the work order is submitted, the job controller receives the information, assigns a technician to do the job, and sets a repair schedule. The technician gets notified and proceeds on the site on the scheduled date. He fills out the repair checklist via the Steer app on his tablet. After a successful repair, the information is then routed to the warranty officer to check if the parts and services are covered by a warranty. This is then passed to the accounting officer for invoicing. The customer then settles the payment via online payment and receives his invoice. There's a lot more you can do inside Steer, such as setting business rules and automate actions, integrating your solutions to existing systems, and putting AI add-ons in place to make your solution smarter. Book a demo today at www.steerplatform.com.